everywhere data analytics is something that everyone wants to learn. Hi, I'm Aishwarya Ramachandran. I work as a news analyst in Thomson Reuters. And I love reading, and data has always been something that I loved, and I always wanted to go there. I found UpGrad. I saw the syllabus structure itself. I was very much impressed with, the way course itself was scheduled. It started with what is data, and then gets into about statistics, and then machine learning, big data, and ends with domain elective, right? So it was very structured. More importantly, you get to learn with other people. I liked the online way because one, I could also continue being as a research assistant in Indian Institute of Science. I could manage other things and I could study on my own time, right? The only thing I felt always lacking about these online courses was you do not have the peer-to-peer touch, right? You don't speak to people. If you have a doubt, you don't have anybody to clarify it for you. Best thing I liked was there was this peer-to-peer thing that was there, and you had discussion forums. You were studying with other people. I loved Raghavan sir's lectures. In fact, liked the way it was all structured also, and how it was taught. Every lecture was followed by your assignments. You get to practice whatever you have learned. That's something that I really loved about the program. The way UpGrad and IIIT-B has taught the program was very systematic, and it was very helpful for anyone who wants to go ahead and implement it in their career. The kind of assignments it was given, the kind of help that we had, that peer-to-peer thing, or the kind of all the help that we got from people like Vivek, Nikhil, and all of them, it was very helpful. Even the placement also, I remember Mayank calling me up before my interview and asking me, what do you feel? Asking me that pre-interview session, and all that really helped you to grow. Now I feel that I will be able to solve any problem given to me. At least I will be able to try and apply different techniques, and I will not get stuck anywhere. I have all the tools that is required to be a data analyst. Yes, I surely agree that every day you learn, every data set is different, and every day you will have to keep learning if you have to grow in this field, because it's a very new field. But yes, you have all the basic tools. Your foundation is very strong. I feel my foundation is really strong after this course. I can do an end-to-end program now. I don't get daunted by data anymore. The program has helped me in a way that I was able to transition from a research role into a news analyst role as a company like Thomson Reuters.